Hello guys, hope you are doing well. It is your girl again, Mina God, guys. Thanks to God that we are still alive. It is another chance. Yes, another golden chance. Thank you so much, you guys, for always coming in to my channel. And also for those who are new, welcome. This is a vibe from Mina God. Let us share what we have in our mind and what we have in life. Guys, kindly subscribe, comment, share, and like this video which I'm dropping down here. It is so nice. It is just for your health, guys. So today I'm here just to make a smooth, very good smooth. Yes, welcome guys, and let me show you what I'm going to use. It is very health smooth. Just try it at your home. Okay, let's go guys. Guys, you see here I have my papaya. This is my papaya. I have already washed it, and I have banana. Yes, I have banana here. This is a milk, and this is a yogurt. The yogurt which we made. Yes, this is a yogurt. And here I have soya milk. This is very healthy, especially for those who are having a constipation. You guys, don't ever miss this. This is so health is so helping about stomach stomach problems, yeah, like constipation and things like that. It is health to all children and adults. If you want it, please click down below and tell me I want it. Click to my email, but also you can leave it a comment. This is a soya milk powder. I'm going to use it, but if you don't have it, is not a must to use it. Yes, now here I'm going just to take half of this, and here I'm going to take a small portion because I just want one glass. Yeah, so then like this, I'm moving like this. You see guys, you see the papaya, the way it is so amazing. It is looking nice. Rid of my bowl, and this is my jug. I'm using this jug to go and blend. Yes, after here I'm taking two small spoons. This is a sugar spoon. I'm taking two of them. Yeah, you see? This is my yogurt. And this is my milk. I don't want to put much milk. Yeah. So let me go and blend, and I'll come back with what I have. My place of blending, it is far right, for this switch here they don't work. Yeah, for this time they don't work. I have to call the electrician to make it for me. Yes, or to fix it. So let me go and blend, and I'm coming back, guys. You guys, here is the yogurt, and this is my glass. I have garnished it with some chocolate, but you see it was starting to freeze, so I didn't even do it well. But take it the way it is. Yes, this is our glass. Wow, exactly one glass. Yes, guys, you see, this is my smooth. Yeah, it is looking so nice. So welcome, guys. We drink. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our smooth. So I'm going to take my breakfast. Yes, guys, you know what? I'm just reminding you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share, like with your friends. Yes, guys, let us meet on another video. Bye bye, guys. I love you. God bless you.